Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how to get this look, keep watching. So first, here I'm just gonna go ahead and start filling in my eyebrows. I went ahead and I did one eye off camera just to see how it would look. But here I'm just going ahead and I'm blending out my concealer, and I'm setting it with a black Radiance banana powder. And all the products will be listed in the description below. So once I got done setting that eye, I just went in with my Profusion makeup palette, and I'm using the shade Dynasty right here, and I'm really using that like kind of as like a crease color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and keep building up that color until I see how much I like it. So then once I'm done with that Dynasty color, I go in with this kind of dark brown shade. It's called Groovy, and I'm using that just to darken up the corners and give my eye a little bit more definition. So here I'm using the whitest shade from the Carly Bible palette, and I'm just packing that onto my actual eyelid, so when I put the glitter on, it can actually shine through, like you can actually be able to see it. So here I'm going back into the Profusion palette, and I'm using the shade Solstice, and I'm packing that on with my finger. With the brush it really doesn't work all that well. So here I'm going in with my foundation, and first I put it on the back of my hand, and I'm blending it out with a brush instead of a beauty blender, simply because my beauty blenders were dirty and my favorite one was broken. So yeah, I'm just blending that out with a BH Cosmetics foundation brush and all that good stuff. So here I'm beginning my highlight and contour, and I'm using my LA Girl concealer to highlight. And my sister got me, you'll see farther on in the video, but my sister got me this kind of like this NYX contour thingy, and I've been using that to like the darkest shade just so I can get more definition in my face, because if you guys can tell, I kind of have like a round face. So here I'm just setting all the places that I highlighted with that black Radiance banana powder that I used to set my eyebrow concealer. And I really like this because it's not too light for me, and you have to use a wet sponge and just press it into the skin. Don't let it bake, because if you do, it looks a little too white. And here you can tell that I'm trying my best to give myself some type of structure to my face, because I really don't, like, you can see how I'm laughing at myself because I'm really trying my best to get some type of cheekbone. And here I'm going in with that black Radiance palette just to contour, and I'm just kind of doing it in like a 3 shape in a little bit, and I'm contouring my nose and all that good stuff. So now I'm just putting on some mascara because I'm about to put on lashes. And if you put on mascara before you put on your lashes, it kind of actually, if you kind of think about it, it gives extra thickness to the lash itself. If you just really kind of think about it, like your eyelashes are extra long added with the extra long lashes, so it gives a more kind of dramatic effect, and that way they're not kind of sticking straight out, they're curved with the lash. So at this point, I'm basically all ready. I'm just putting on some lip gloss, and I really like this one. It's kind of like a sheer pink, but it's not too pink where it looks Barbie-ish. It really doesn't look how it looks in the tube. But I went and I put on my cap because I'm really graduating on the 24th. I really can't believe it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a part of class of 2019, congratulations. Whether or not you're graduating high school, a 2-year college, or 4-year university, it doesn't matter. But thank you guys so much for watching. Your girl looks ready to get her diploma. Love you guys.